The Lord be with you. I'm Deacon Keith Fournier, and our first reading is taken from the letter of the Apostle Paul to the Ephesians. I, the prisoner in the Lord, urge you therefore to lead a life worthy of the vocation to which you were called, with all humility and gentleness and with patience. Support each other in love. Take every care to preserve the unity of the Spirit by the peace that binds you together. There is one body, one Spirit, just as one hope is the goal of your calling by God. There is one Lord, one faith, one baptism, and one God and Father of all, over all, through all, and within all. And our response from Psalm 24. To Yahweh belong the earth and all it contains, the world and all who live there. It is He who laid its foundations on the seas, on the flowing waters, fixed it firm. Who shall go up to the mountain of Yahweh? Who shall take a stand in His holy place? The clean of hands and pure of heart, whose heart is not set on vanities, who does not swear an oath in order to deceive. Such a one will receive blessing from Yahweh, saving justice from the God of his salvation. Such is the people that seeks Him, that seeks your presence, God of Jacob. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke. Jesus said again to the crowds, when you see a cloud looming up in the west, you say at once that rain is coming, and so it does. And when the wind is from the south, you say it's going to be hot, and it is. Hypocrites! You know how to interpret the face of the earth and the sky. How is it you do not know how to interpret these times? Why not judge for yourselves what is upright? For example, when you are going to court with your opponent, make an effort to settle with him on the way. Or he may drag you before the judge, and the judge hand you over to the officer, and the officer have you thrown into prison. I tell you, you will not get out till you have paid the very last penny. The Gospel of the Lord.